Across Europe, wind power is driving the energy transition. Today, almost 1/5 of the European Union's electricity already comes from wind, and the share keeps growing. At the heart of every wind turbine is its generator, built to deliver power reliably for up to 40,000 hours. But under constant stress, vibration, and extreme weather, even the strongest components need expert care.
Here in Estonia, we have ABB's Global Center of Excellence, a unique service center in Europe, specializing in wind generators refurbishment and lifetime extensions. We are here to keep turbines turning longer, safer, and more efficiently. At ABB Estonia, world-class engineering meets future-ready technology to extend lifespans, reduce downtimes, and ensure reliability. We aim for 100% on-time delivery, never compromising on quality.
Testing is the most important stage of the refurbishment process. It ensures that every step before, it has been done correctly and that the generator performs as it should. Vibration is known enemy for rotating electrical machines. Balancing is all about harmony. A few grams off can make a world of difference. That's why accuracy here means everything. Assembly is a true team effort, where experience and precision work hand in hand. From bearings to final seals, nothing is left to chance. What makes it truly unique is that production of new capital spares and service operate on the same campus, allowing seamless cooperation between engineering and manufacturing. Lifting large generators is precise work. We take safety seriously throughout the lift, ensuring everyone and everything stays protected. We also install customer-specific parts, example lubrication systems, coupling hubs, etc.
Here you can see generator what came in for our service, and here you can see generator after our work is done.
ABB's Center of Excellence, keeping wind power turning.